it's allowing us to get into the system. It's really outlined. We've just been kind of going with the flow, and I wake up and I'm like, we're gonna do this, and crazy ideas, and let's go. So it's creating this focus and commitment on my end as the business owner so that I can make sure my team is successful, but they're not frustrated. They understand where we're going,
Yeah.
why we're doing it. When I started my company, I was very much about the vision. The vision was everything I talked about all the time.
Yeah.
And then through the past few years, I haven't been leaning into that vision until recently, now that we're part of the inner circle, reevaluating that vision, making sure our team members know where we're going, knowing that we're going to get to 550 at the end of the year. That's our goal. That's our vision. And I think it's giving Alyssa some confidence as well, and encouraging her and growing her, because I want her to take over. I don't want to be here all the time as well.
Right.
She does it. So it has been instrumental with her as well, like the pot falls, like